Okay, welcome again. Let's discuss problem number 14. If you see the problem number 14, the molecular formula is given, which is C3H8O. First target is to find out degree of unsaturation of this unknown compound. So 2C plus 2 plus N minus H minus X divided by 2. So 2 remain as it is. How many number of carbon? 3. So plus 2 as it is. Nitrogen 0. How many hydrogen? 8. How many halogen? 0 divided by 2. So 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 8 divided by 2. So you will get answer 0. It means the non-compound degree of unsaturation is also 0. Although this compound contains oxygen, so might be oxygen is in the form of ether or in the form of alcohols. Only two possibilities. Okay, if you see the IR spectrum of this unknown compound, ignore this region. If you see there is a sp3ch stretch, clear sp3ch stretch, and you are getting a broad peak. Whenever you are getting a broad peak in the range of 3600 centimeter inverse to 3200 centimeter inverse, a broad peak, it is a 200% confirmation that this compound contains OH stretch. Means alcohol is present in this noun compound. So this signal, this broad peak is of alcohol. Remember two types of peak you are getting in IR spectrum, broad peak and sharp peak. This is a sharp peak. Only in two cases you will get a broad peak. One case alcohol OH, second case carboxylic acid OH will give you a broad peak. So degree of unsaturation 0, IR is indicating that it's a noun compound contain OH signal. Okay, now let's move towards the carbon 13 NMR of this compound. Proton coupled spectrum give a clear indication 1, 2, 3, 4 proton coupled means there is a CH3 in this compound. 1, 2, this is a doublet, so CH over there as well. This is a solvent signal. And if you see the proton decouple, like singlet, the proton, because we remove the coupling of hydrogen with carbon, so we are getting a singlet. Here is a singlet as well. So carbon 13 means there are two types of carbon are present in this unknown compound. Molecular formula C3H8O. Remember this formula. Now let's take proton NMR. C3H8O. If only proton NMR is given, you can 100% elucidate the structure of this unknown compound. Although IR spectrum provide information, mass spectrum carbon 13, but if only the proton NMR is given, with the help of proton NMR, you would be able to write exact structure of this unknown compound. Okay, so degree of unsaturation is 8 of this compound. Let's see the integration. Whenever it is written exchange with D2O, it means this compound contains OH. This is a clear indication. So this exchange we do because whenever hydrogen is connected with heteroatom, it will easily exchange with deuterium oxide, heavy water. Okay, so this is a noun compound. If this is a one proton signal, this integration is same. This is one proton signal. So 6 protons remaining. Total we have 8. So this is a 6 proton signal. So if expansion is given, we are getting a 6 proton doublet. So first one is 6 proton doublet. Its ppm is round about 1.2 ppm. Then secondly, if you see exchange with D2O, mean this is a clear 200%. This is a signal of OH. IR also confirmed this signal. Okay, if you see this one, this is a one proton. We don't know about this multiplicity. So let's see over here. The expansion is given. How many lines? Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is accepted. Means we are getting a one proton septate. One proton septate. Okay. We are getting 6 proton doublet, 1 proton septate. Okay. How to draw 6 proton doublet? We can't connect 6 hydrogen with a single carbon. So it means we have to do the environment same. Whenever you have to draw 6 proton doublet means you have to write isopropyl group. This is isopropyl group. These 6 hydrogen are absorbing collectively and they will give you a doublet. And its ppm is justifiable. Hydrogen are connected with sp3, neighbor is sp3. Okay, if you are getting a 6 proton doublet, it is understood you will get a 1 proton septate as well. Like this 1 proton is giving you a septate because 6 hydrogen are connected in its neighbor. Okay, so let me write the structure over here. So this fragment is present, 100% this fragment is present. CH3 isopropyl is present because 2 signals are clearly indicating this one. This is 6 proton doublet. This is 1 proton septate. Now we have how many hydrogen we have? We have 8 hydrogen, 3 carbon complete, 7 hydrogen complete. We have 1 hydrogen and 1 OH. And we justify over here, this noun compound contain 1 OH signal. So simply connect OH over here. This is the structure of this noun compound. This compound is known as isopropyl alcohol or 2-propanol. Isopropyl alcohol is also known as rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol. This is the same alcohol which the doctor use after the injection to rub your skin. It is used as an antiseptic material. So these 6 hydrogen will giving you a doublet. 6 hydrogen doublets, ppm 1.2. This is 1 proton, 1 hydrogen septate. Its ppm is over here. It is written 4.0 ppm. And you are getting 1 proton singlet, 1 proton broad singlet, and it is appearing in the range of 2.7 ppm, 1.7 ppm. So this is the structure of this unknown compound. You can write the structure again. You can write the carbon 13 NMR values to this structure, and you can easily draw the mass spectrum of this unknown compound as mass spectrum of this unknown compound. So I hope you have enjoyed this session. See you in the next discussion. Wish you best of luck. Bye-bye.